Hi guys, Awesome Brendan Gamer, and today me and Bob Gamer TV are driving our RC cars in the apartment, and we're doing a double video.
Yep.
2 cameras at once on 2 different channels. It's gonna be awesome. All right, let's start, Bob. Mine's the green one, his is the red one.
Yeah.
Whoa! I didn't see drift without even trying. Whoa! Oh! Woo! Breaking up the lead. Come on, come on! Oh no, mine's stuck.
Here, I'll knock yours out.
Oh, I got it!
Wait, Brendan.
I got an idea. Oh, whatever. Oh, leaves. Those leaves in it. Oh, let's make a huge pile and then run our RC cars through it. Ready, Bob?
Wait.
We need to pick up all these leaves. Can the camera see the leaves, Bob?
We need the pile a bit closer.
Oh. Hey, wait.
Here, don't pick mine up.
Okay.
Mine's so easy.
Okay.
Oh, that's like
Oh man. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's make it like right here so both cameras can see it. Oh, or there we go. So let's make a big pile of leaves, okay?
Yeah.
Griffin, that's all right here.
I'm gonna fix my key.
Okay.
I need some leaves on the back. Hold it up.
So I just tilt it forward a little so it'll stay.
There.
There we go. I'm gonna make this pile that we're not doing it into. I'm gonna move it right here. Woo! Okay.
Oh, look at all these leaves. Shout out to Awesome Brendan Gamer. He's like he lives right next to me, which is
Well, across the street and a few houses down.
Yeah. But still.
But we're not telling you where.
We're in Hollywood. I'm joking.
Wait a minute, did you? Bob, your camera stopped recording.
Here, I'll do it again.
Okay, just post like 2 videos, okay? Okay,
Take a picture.
post like 1 and then post another. Don't delete your old video, okay? There's been a
I
bit
did.
of... Huh?
I did.
There's been...
Hi guys, Bob Gamer TV here, and today we're driving our RC cars. Mine's way over there. My friend, Awesome Brendan Gamer.
Woo!
Mine's the red one. His is the green one. Green RC car.
Green RC car. Green
And
and black.
mine's over there, red one.
And we're doing like 2 videos.
We're making a big leaf pile.
Yeah, huge.
He's recording.
Dial.
That's actually. Hi guys! Woo! Yeah.
Double devices. Double videos.
We might take like all of those leaves. The leaf piles right
Bob,
here.
I think we're good. Do you know why?
What?
Because mine has 34 minutes and 33 seconds to record before it stops.
Good. Okay, so
But we don't want my storage to run out. So,
let's actually move these leaves because they might. We've been having minor difficulties with
Yeah.
me.
because his keeps stopping. His keeps stopping recording.
Yeah.
Alright. On my tablet, sorry about in my account, sorry about the last time he stopped. We're just gonna keep going.
Here, I'll push all these leaves over here. And then you take all of them.
Okay.
And put them on.
our RC cars through soon, Bob.
What?
It's getting really big.
If you guys can't tell how big it is, it's pretty big.
It's pretty big. This is me standing next to it. This is me standing next to it. My legs, you can only see my legs. But that's how big it is. Me standing next to it. Alright. Now, I've been having like troubles with like recording lately, so hopefully I actually get this one like through. Okay, yours is still recording, that's good. Remember the screen blinks black and then blinks black again, then it stops. So dumb.
Oh, let's go.
Bob, do you think we should do it?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Here comes Bob's RC car. Zooming into the racetrack. Ready, Bob? 3, 2, 1. Run!
That did nothing.
I'm gonna destroy it. Destroy. Oh no, I can't move mine. Alright, guys. Destroy! Oh no, can't move. The RC car's stuck. No. Hey, don't hit my RC car. Demolition. Watch out. Alright, I'm gonna drive it from the cameras. Ready, Bob? Bam.
I'm stuck.
Oh, that actually looks really cool.
Is mine still recording? Yes.
Right. Oh, that's cool.
What's up, guys?
Look at my cars. Look. Hey, stuck in it.
Mine won't turn.
Maybe there's leaves stuck in it. Oh, almost hit the phone.
Push the gas.
Oh, Bob, I almost made it through. I almost made it through a little place.
Look at my.
Okay.
Is it still recording? Yeah, we're still going. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, sorry about that.
Phone
Looking at.
didn't crack. Wait, what? The what? What? There's a rock in the leaves. What? There's a rock. There's a rock in the leaves. Whatever. Just throw it in the bushes. Bob, look.
What the heck?
Did it stop him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Don't delete it, Bob, because we can make like 2 separate videos on yours and 1 full on mine, okay? Don't delete it. Did you delete it?
No.
Okay, good. Yeah, you really need more storage on your phone so you can record on your phone. Oh, man. Leave. How much longer should this video go?
As long as you want.
Yeah, I have an idea. Since our RC cars aren't strong enough to break through, but we are.
What?
We need to smash the pile. Okay? Ready, Bob? Should I smash it towards the phones?
Wait. Okay, sorry about that. There's just gonna be 2 separate videos. We're gonna. Okay, tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna demolish this with. We're not gonna use our RC cars anymore because that wasn't working. So we're just gonna go boom, and I'm gonna kick it towards the cameras so it'll look really cool. Ready, Bob?
Yep.
Okay. Wait. All right, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ready? Wait, I'm done. Okay. Oh no! No, my camera can't see. 1 sec. Okay. What? Oh.
The phone. Guys, are you okay? Make the pile again.
I think we killed the viewers.
Make the pile again.
And don't forget to check out both these videos.
Okay.
All right, ready? Your turn? No, my turn. Ready?
Yep.
Woo! The camera says, oh no, I need to uncover my camera. Sweep away.
Okay, make the pile again.
Spread it around. Woo! Demolition pile. Okay, there we go. Look at all these leaves. Oh man.
Oh, wait.
What? Video. Let's
Let's
separate. Now let's drive our RC cars around. Oh no. What? Mine's not moving. Oh, this one. Oh yeah, I turned it off. Oh, there we go.
My RC car is dying.
Oh. Alright. Let's end the video, Bob. Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. I'm gonna end the video right here. So don't forget to like, subscribe to both of our channels, and watch it on this video on both of our channels to get a different view. Alright then, bye.